Welcome back, students. In the previous video, you learned about rational numbers. In this video, we will learn how to find rational numbers between two given numbers. Let's start. So, for example, let's say we are given with two rational numbers. One is R and the other number is S. And now we have to find rational number in between these two numbers. We will simply add these two numbers and divide it by 2. So this is the new rational number which lies in between R and S. We can take example. We can take two rational numbers, suppose 3 and -7. These are two rational numbers. If you have confusion, why are these numbers called rational numbers, you can go to the previous video. So now in this video, we are finding out rational number in between these two numbers. To find rational numbers between two given numbers, we simply first add the two numbers. So we'll add 3 and we will add -7 and we will divide it by 2. Now, as you know, if plus and minus is separated by the bracket sign, we take the negative sign. So it will be 3 minus 7 by 2, which is -4 by 2, or simply -2. So -2 is one number which comes in between 3 and -7. Now we have found one number between 3 and -7, but we can find there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two given numbers. So now if we have to find another number between these given two numbers, so we found one rational number and our two given numbers are 3 and -7. So take any number from the given number. So suppose I have taken 3, and if we add the new rational number, which is -2, and again divide it by 2, we get a new rational number which lies in between the given numbers. So what we have done? First, we have added the given two numbers and divided it by 2. We found one rational number which lies in between the given numbers. Now to find another number which is also rational and which also lies in between these two numbers, for that we can pick any number from the given number. So 3 and -7 is given, we can pick any one. And again we will add this with the new rational number what we found in between these two numbers. And again we divide it by 2. So here it will become 3 minus 2 divided by 2, which is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the new number. So in this method, by doing this method, we found two rational numbers between 3 and -7. One is -2 and the another number is 1 by 2. There can be numerous methods to find out numbers between two given numbers. So, for example, we have one number as 4 by 5 and another number 3 by 2. So, in this method, what we will do, we will write the decimal form of the given numbers. To change into decimal form, so 4 by 5 can be written as 0.8 and 3 by 2 is 1.5. If you do the long division method, you will find these answers. Now, we have two rational numbers and we have to find rational numbers in between these two numbers. So simply, after 0.8, decimal 8, we have decimal 9, decimal 9.95, or 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and finally the given number is 1.5. So this way also, this is one way to find rational numbers between two given numbers. So the method is first convert the numbers into decimal forms, and then it becomes very easy to figure out how we can find numbers or rational numbers given between two rational numbers. I hope you understood the concept. There is one more line I just want to make it very clear, that there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So there is no end to it. There can be, infinite numbers between two given numbers. Okay? I hope the concept is understood by you. In case there is any problem or you have any question, so please write down in the comments. Thank you.